Shit is bananas. That flag looks like it's about to blow right off the pole. I wonder if y'all can hear the wind blow by the window. It's kind of crazy. You scared, mama? You're alright. Me and mama are posted up in the hotel. Well, everybody, I hope y'all safe out there. Because it is pretty nasty. Alright, y'all, be safe.